In 1997, we set ourselves a mission. Everything we deliver will bring value to people. Our mission has always been about saving lives. Our work is demanding. This is why, for so many years, we have been tirelessly committed to ambulance vehicles, ambulance stretchers, ambulance equipment, and mobile health vehicles. It is this commitment that drives us to operate relentlessly in our 20,000 square meter facility, powered by solar energy, alongside a dedicated team of hundreds of experts. Every year, we produce thousands of ambulances and stretchers. From America to Egypt, Germany to Vietnam, Nigeria to Kazakhstan, our dedication allows us to reach all 7 continents of the world. It is also why we are proud to be the first company in Turkey to conduct and successfully pass the rigorous 10G crash test for ambulances, ambulance stretchers and stretcher platforms, achieving superior quality certifications, CE certifications for ambulance materials, and compliance with EN 1789 standards, stems from this unwavering dedication. Being Turkey's most trusted, leading, and pioneering brand is no easy task. Our greatest strength: innovative, sustainable, and eco-friendly solutions, supported by advanced technology and disciplined planning. Our mission: to continuously improve and, most importantly, to save lives. We know our work is demanding, but overcoming challenges, delivering widespread and rapid service, ensuring high product quality, and prioritizing customer satisfaction remain our top priorities. Because what we do is about human life, and if we can touch lives and contribute positively, it is the greatest reward. EMS Ambulance. Quality for life.